Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 7th chapter triangles. Today we will learn the exercise 7.4 in Telangana State Book page number 172. Today we will learn the remaining problems 4 to 7. Today we will learn it only. Are you understood of the previous class? 1 to 3 problems. Yes. It's over in this same exercise. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, first, fourth problem. First I will read the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest sides of quadrilateral ABCD. See adjacent figure. Show that angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D. Okay, this is the question. Yeah, this figure is gave in this question. This figure is gave only. Be carefully, listen better neatly. I will explain this problem. What is given, what is asked. Be carefully, listen neatly. AB and CD are smallest and longest sides. Okay, in figure is also same one clearly. Okay, AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side only of quadrilateral. This is the one quadrilateral. What's the name? Name of this quadrilateral name is ABCD quadrilateral name. We have to show that angle A greater than angle C. Angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. How to show that? These two only. Okay. Very simple. This problem solution is very simple only. So first given data, how to write it in our given problem. AB and CD are the smallest and longest sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. To show angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D only. This is the diagram. Get the solution for this problem. Look at this notebook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. This is the quadrilateral. ABCD quadrilateral. This is not a triangle. So first from this figure, what's the quadrilateral name? ABCD quadrilateral. What is given? AB is equal to smallest side is given from this figure. Okay, what is given? This is given smallest side and another one is CD is longest side. Okay, these two is given only. So this is the quadrilateral ABCD. This is not a triangle. So we need to construct a triangle by construction only. First we need to do a construction. What's the join AC? This is the construction only. Okay. Separately also you can draw here it is Gagan Sai. Yeah, this is the ABC. We need it to construction, AC construction. Join AC by construction. Okay, in triangle ABC. First triangle, what's the triangle? This construction is divided into how many triangles are there? 2 triangles. This is the one triangle and this is the second triangle. Yeah, 2 triangles are divided only. First triangle is ABC, one triangle. Next one is CAD triangle or ACD triangle. Okay. First, let us take first triangle. In triangle ABC. ABC. AB is the smallest side is given. AB is smallest side. This is the ABC triangle. AB is the smallest side. Next BC is the longest. Then comparing of this one only. Okay. Remaining two sides is the longest sides only. Okay. This is the lesser only. Then comparing of these two sides. So AB is the smallest side is given. So that's why BC is greater than, here it is the AB one. BC is greater than AB. Okay. In these two sides, is it equal or unequal? In this, here it is unequal one. If any two sides are unequal, what's the theorem are using in this problem? 7.6 theorem are using only. What's the 7.6 theorem? The angle opposite greater side is greater only. So here it is the first one is the BC side. BC side is opposite angle opposite to greater side. This is the greater, is a big side only. Okay, longest side. So that's why greater side is greater only. And next AB side. This is the AB side. Angle opposite to smallest side is smaller only. So this is the one. Here this is this angle only. BC. Yeah, suppose this angle is 1. Let us take this angle only. What's the angles? 1, 2. Here it is the 3, and this is the 4. At angle at A, how many angles is formed here? It is after construction. How many angles are formed here? It is 2 angles only. And at C also 2 angles are divided only. So let us take these two angles. What's that? Angles 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 only. Okay. So BC side, angle opposite to greater side is greater. So what's the BC opposite is angle 3 only. Greater than AB's opposite angle 1 only. Okay. What's the theorem are using here? It is 7.6 theorem are using. Angle 3 is greater than angle 1. So since, what's the theorem? 7.6 theorem are using here it is. Okay, are clear? And next, this is the equation number 1. Next, in another triangle, let us take the another triangle. What's the another triangle? Here it is the ADC triangle. In triangle ADC. In this triangle is, what's the CD is longest side is given in given problem. So AD is the smallest side. Then comparing of this side only. Okay. And AC is the bigger only. So separately is also we can try here it is. Otherwise directly is also from this same figure. We can write it only. What's the CD angle is greater than AD. Because here it is the CD is equal, longest side is given. Okay, are you clear? CD is greater than, what's the AD. Why it is? Are you understood? Yeah, these two sides are unequal. So whenever the two sides are unequal, What's the theorem are using here? It is theorem 7.6 theorem only. So here it is the CD opposite angle. What's the CD? This is the CD only. This is the longest only. Angle opposite to greater side is greater or longest side is longer. So that is the, what's the angle? Angle is angle 4. CD opposite angle is angle 4 is greater. And next, what's the AD? AD opposite is angle 2 only. Okay, from this figure. So angle 4 greater than angle 2. Why it is? Why it is greater than 2? These two are greater than 2. Yeah, since this theorem only are using only. Above theorem. Or apply the theorem, this theorem. Above 7.6 theorem are using in this one only. These triangles. This is the equation number 2. And next, adding equation number 1 and 2. Now, adding equation number 1 and 2. Be carefully listen better neatly. We get, what we get it? What's the first equation number 1? Angle 3 plus angle 4. This is the equation number 2. Is greater than, what's the equation number 1? Right hand side. This is the left hand side. This is the right hand side only. So, right hand side is angle 1 plus, what's the equation number 2? Right hand side is angle 2 only. Okay, sum of these two angles. What we will get the angle? Angle 3 plus angle 4. From this figure, what we will get it? Angle 3 plus angle 4. It is nothing but what's the sum of these two angles? We will get the angle A only. So that's why we can write it the angle A. Sum of these two angles, we can write it the, what's the angle A is greater than angle 1 plus angle 2. Look at this figure, Gagan side. What's the angle 1 plus angle 2? It is nothing but what's the angle C only. So we can write it the angle C. So this is the one part of the question solution is over. First part is over. I have to prove this one only. First question is over. And next, second one. What's the second one? Angle B greater than angle D only. How will you show that? This one only. This is the quadrilateral. This is not a construction only. So, first we have to construct a triangle by construction only. Another construction. We need to construction. Join BD only. Why it is we needed this one? In given question asked is this one only. I have to show that this one angle B greater than angle D only. So that's why join BD by construction only. Okay, are clear? Another construction only. Yeah, separately you can draw here. It is another figure. Okay, another construction. Yeah, this is the A and this is the B and this is the D and this is the C1. We need to construction BD. Here it is. In this after construction, how many triangles are is divided? Here it is. In this quadrilateral, 2 triangles are divided. This is the one and this is the second triangular. Okay, 2 triangles are divided. So first let us take the first triangle. Okay, what's the triangle? ABD. One triangle and another triangle is BCD triangle. So yet angle B, how many angles are is divided here? It is are formed. How many angles are is formed? 2 angles are is formed. After construction, two angles are is formed. What's the angles names? Angle 3, angle 4. Let us take these two angles. Yeah, 2 and 3, 3 and 4 is over, and next this is the 5 and this is the 6 one. Okay, not 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And next this is the 7 and 8 angle. They are the angle D. How many angles are is formed here? It is 2 angles only. So first one is 7 and this is the 8 one. Okay. Why? Because here it is construction is divided into 2 triangles only. So that's why these 2 angles is formed here it is only. Now take this first triangle. From this figure, what's the first triangle? Triangle name is in triangle ABD triangle. Okay, are you clear? Okay. In ABD triangle, AB is the smallest side is given in given problem. Smallest side. Okay. Side is given. So AB is the smallest side. ABD triangle. So AB is the smallest side is given. So AD is greater than AB. Why? Because here it is the in figure is also very clear only. Okay, AD is the biggest one. Then comparing of the AB one. So that's why AD is greater than AB. These two sides are unequal. Okay, whenever the two sides are unequal, what's the theorem are using here? It is same above theorem, 7.6 theorem are using only. Okay, according to the 7.6 theorem, we can write it. What's the 7.6 theorem? AD angle opposite to greater side is greater one. Okay, so here it is the AD is opposite side angle is, what's the angle? Angle 5 is greater than AB side opposite angle is, what's the, here it is the 7 only. This is the 7. Okay, angle 7. Okay, are you clear? Since what's the theorem are using here? It is above theorem. Theorem 7.6 theorem. Are you clear? Are you understood? What's the 7.6 theorem? Are you understood? Yeah, next. This is the equation number 3 only. Next, another triangle. Let us take the another triangle. In triangle, what's the triangle name? Triangle of BCD triangle. Okay. In this triangle, BC is, here it is the BC is comparing to the CD only. Okay, CD is longest side is given in given problem. So then comparing of BC is the smallest only. What's the, here it is the CD. CD is equal longest side is given in given problem. Side is given, and next CD is greater than 1. Then comparing of the BC one. Okay, in figure is also clearly one. Are you clear? Yeah. Yeah, these two sides are unequal only. So that's why according to this theorem, we can write it only. What's the CD? CD is opposite angle. What's the angle 6 only. And next greater than BC. BC opposite angle is, what's the angle 8. Since what's the theorem are using here? It is above theorem. Above same. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this is the equation number 4. Adding equation number 3 and 4. What we will get it? Well, it is a less space gagansa. Here it is. Okay. What's the 3? 3 angle 5 plus angle 6 greater than, what's the angle 7 plus angle 8. Okay. Angle 5 plus angle 6. Left hand side. What we will get the angle from this figure? Angle 5 plus angle 6. It is nothing but what's the angle B only. Look at this figure, Gagan Sai. Tell me the answer.
Yes, angle B.
Angle B only. Greater than angle 7 plus angle 8. What we will get the angle here? It is angle D only. So it is nothing but angle D only. Okay. Angle B greater than angle D. So it is proved only. Second part solution is also it is proved. So that's why therefore or hence it is proved. Both are it is proved. Okay, are you clear? This problem solution is over. Are you understood? Very simple problem. This problem solution is over, and next we'll move on to the next question. Look at the textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Fifth question. In a adjacent figure, PR greater than PQ and PS is angle bisector of angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR greater than angle PSQ. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the question. First I will explain this question only. First, what is given, what is asked. The adjacent figure is give. Look at this figure, Gagan Sai. Be carefully listen. What is given? PR is greater than PQ only. PR is greater than PQ. It is from this figure is also it is clear? Yes, this is the bigger than comparing of this one only. So already given. And PS is angle bisector of angle of QPR. PS, this is the bisector only. Bisector angle of QPR. Okay, is it correct? This is the bisector. Bisector means these two angles are, is it equal angles only? What's the angles? QPS angles, and next one is the SPR angles. These two angles are, is it equal only? So bisector, and prove it. What we needed to prove here it is angle of PSR greater than angle of PSQ only. How to prove this one only? Okay, PSR this greater than to PSQ only. Okay, are you clear? Explanation are you understood, Gagan Sai? First given data, how to write it in our given problem. The adjacent figure PR greater than PQ and PS is a angle bisector of a angle of QPR. To prove that angle of PSR greater than angle of PSQ. From this figure, let the solution for this problem. Be carefully, listen better neatly. From this figure, what is given? Here it is the PR greater than PQ, and next PS is a angle bisector. Angle bisector of angle QPR. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this is given only in this problem. Yeah, PS is bisector only in this one only. So bisector means is that these two angles are, is it equal only? In this figure, how many triangles are is divided? Two triangles are is divided. What's the triangles? QPS triangle, and another one is SPR triangle is divided only. These two triangles are, is it equal? Why it is equal? Are you understood? Angle of QPS is equal to what's the angle of SPR? Why it is equal? Since PS is bisects. PS is a bisector. Bisector of angle of QPR. So that's why these two are, is it equal? Are you understood? These two angles are, is it equal? This angle is both are angles is same angles only. Yeah, next. Here it is the two sides are, is it unequal only in this problem. Okay, what's that? PR is greater than PQ. These two sides are, is it unequal? Yes, whenever the two sides are unequal, what's the theorem are using in this problem? Theorem 7.6 theorem only. So what's the 7.6 theorem? Angle opposite to greater side is greater only, or smaller side is smaller only. So here it is the PR. PR is your longer side only. Okay, what's the angle? This angle, opposite this angle only. So is greater side is greater only. Angle Q, it is nothing but angle Q and greater PQ. PQ opposite angle is, what's the angle? Angle R. Okay, are clear? Why it is? Are you understood? What's the theorem are you using here? It is theorem 7.6 theorem are using in this problem. Okay, are clear? Next. Yeah, this is the one triangle. QPS one triangle. Yeah, this is the, in this triangle, these two angles, sum of these two only. What's the angle Q plus angle QPS? In this triangle, this angle adding up this angle, and in this other triangle is also adding up this triangle only. Okay, are you clear? Why? Because here these two angles are, is it equal only? Both in these two triangles, so which one is, this is the common angle only. So that's why in this triangle, angle Q plus what's the, in this triangle, what's the another angle is, angle of QPS is greater than angle of R plus what's the, let us take these two angles. So angle of, what's the angle, SPR. Okay, this is the greater angle only. Then comparing of this angle. Okay, this is the greater angle. Suppose of this angle is 70 degrees. These two angles are, is the same angles only. Let us take this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is also same only. Why it is equal, these two angles? This is the bisector only. And PS is bisector only, here it is. So that's why these two angles are, is it equal only. So here it is, then comparing of this angle is the smallest angle only. Let us take this angle is 40 degrees. Okay. So in this triangle, angle Q plus angle P only. Sum of these two triangles. This is the right angle triangle. So that's why we know that one property. What's the property? Angle sum property. How will you get this angle? Yes, using angle sum property are using only in this problem. Okay, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. We know that property. So 180 minus of sum of these two only. We will get this one only. We want prove this one only. This angle we want prove it only. We needed of this angle only. So that's why, how will you get this angle? Are you understood? What's the property are you using in this problem? Angle sum property
Yes.
are using only. We know that only. That property are angle sum property are using in this problem only. Okay. 180 degrees minus of these two only. We will get this third angle. We will get it. How will you get the third angle? Are you understood? 180 degrees minus of sum of these two angles only. What's the angle? Say angle Q plus angle of QPS. Okay. Are you clear? And next, greater than, this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. RHS part is angle of R plus angle of SPR. It is also, it is nothing but 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. Sum of these two only. 180 degrees minus sum of these two angles. We will get this third angle. How will you get the third angle? Are you understood? Since by using the angle sum property are using only in this problem only. Why? Because we needed of this angle only. PSQ. One angle and PSR another angle. We want these two angles. We want it. So that's why 80 degrees minus of sum of these two only. What's the angle? R plus angle of SPR. Okay, are you clear? What's the property are using here? It is angle sum property. We know this property. We know that. Okay. We know that angle sum property, or since by using angle sum property, we will get the third angle 180 degrees minus of sum of these two angles. We will get the third angle only. So left hand side and right hand side is also, it's finishing, it's over. And next 180 degrees minus of angle Q plus angle of QPS. It is nothing but, okay, yeah, 70 degrees plus 30 degrees. It is nothing but what's the 100 degrees only. How will you get the third angle? Yeah, this is the angle Q greater than angle R only. R is here, it is only, okay. These two angles, angle Q, it is nothing but, let us suppose it take this angle of 70 degrees is greater, then comparing of that angle of what's the angle of R only, angle of R is lesser only, okay, 40 degrees only. So sum of these two only, so what's the 70 plus 30 degrees, sum of these two is also 70 plus 30 degrees is greater of 40 plus 30 degrees. Sum is also greater only. 70 plus 30, it is nothing but 100 is greater. 40 plus 30 and right side, that is nothing but 70 degrees. Sum is also is greater only. Okay. No changes here, it is only. No changes are happening here. So how will you get the third angle? Third angle, it is nothing but 180 degrees minus of sum of these two angles. Angle of PSQ. Okay. This angle is the smallest angle. PSQ. Next, less than. What's the another? 180 degrees minus of sum of these two only. What we will get? This angle only. What's this angle? PSR angle. This is the greater angle. We want these two angles. We want it to. Angle of PSR. Are you clear? Are you understood? Hence it is proved only. Okay, are you understood, Gagan Sai? The sum of these two angles is the what's the 100 degrees only. So how will you get the third angle? It is nothing but 80 degrees only. 180 minus 100 degrees, we will get the 80 degrees. This angle is the smallest angle. This angle we want to prove it only. We needed of this angle only, 80 degrees, and this is also 70 degrees. Sum of these two is the 70 degrees. Yeah, remaining is the what's the third angle is? How will you get the third angle? 180 minus 70 degrees. It is nothing but 110 degrees. Total is the sum of these three angles is equal to the 180 degrees only. Are you clear? This one only. This is the greater angle. We want to prove this one only. So that's why these two angles only. PSQ is less than PSR. Are you understood? Yeah, this is the very simple problem solution. This problem solution is over. Are you understood this problem solution? What's the theorem are you using in this problem? 7.6 theorem are you using. And next, what's the property are you using in this problem? Angle sum property are you using only in this problem only. Yeah, this is the very simple. Otherwise, another method is also we will learn it only. What's the by exterior angle property are you using, and another process is also we will do it. That is the lengthy only. Some more two more steps are extra steps only. So that's why this is the simple one. Then comparing of this solution is the very simple only. So that's why simple solution is over. Okay. Why? Because here it is the lesser space only. So that's why it's over. This problem solution is over. Another method is also you do practice.
Okay.
What's the another method? By using the exterior angle property are using here it is only. Okay. This is the bisector is here it is the perpendicular symbols is there only. Two angles are formed only. Yeah, this is the QPS. What's the exterior angle is? RSP only. Exterior angle is formed only. This is the exterior angle is formed, and this is the triangle, and this is the exterior angle. What's the exterior angle? QSP angle only. Okay. Two sides the exterior angle is formed only. By using the exterior angle property, we will do the another method also we will do it only. That is the homework only. Okay. At home you do own practice only.
Okay.
Another property are using you at home you do practice on. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, this problem solution is also it's over, and next we'll move on to the next question only. If sixth question, if two sides of a triangle measure 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters, find all possible measurements, positive integers of the third side, how many distinct triangles can be obtained? This is the question only. So what is given, what is asked in this given question? In this given question is two sides of a triangle measures is give 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters is measures is give. Find all possible measurements of the third side. How many possible measurements of the third side? How to find out this one only. Positive integers. So let us take the positive integers of the third side. How many possible measurements possible only. And next, how many distinct triangles can be obtained? How many distinct triangles can be obtained? How to calculate it only. These two questions only. Yeah, be carefully, listen better neatly. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in a given problem. Given equal to this is the given, and to find is this one only. Okay, these two questions are to find only. Next, at the solution for this problem. Be carefully, listen better neatly. If two sides of a triangle measures is give, let should be the two sides is angle A or B only. Otherwise, you directly also you write it only. Okay. The two sides of a triangle A comma B is equal to 4 and 6 centimeters. Next, how many possible measurements of the third side? We know that the one statement. If any triangle is given, sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater side is greater only. Greater side is third side is greater. Okay, we know that statement. The sum of the any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side only. We know that only, that one. The sum of the any two sides is greater than the third side. Greater than the third side. Yeah, sum of the any two sides, it is nothing but A plus B is greater than third side. Third side is nothing but C only. Okay, first let us take the three sides. Let should be the A comma B and C only. Okay, let us take these three sides are is let us take A comma B and C only. So sum of these two sides is greater than the third side only. Okay, are clear? What's the here it is? What's the A is equal to 4 and here it is the B is equal to 6 only. Next, what about the third side? C equal, what about this one only? Here it is the A plus B greater than C. It is nothing but 4 plus 6 is greater than C. Otherwise, C is less than 4 plus 6. This is also, it can be written, this is also, both are is it equal only. Okay, the sum of the any two sides is greater than the third side. Third side is less than the sum of these two sides. Both are is it equal only. This and this is a, both are is it equal. Okay, these two statements are is it equal only. So angle C is less than 4 plus 6, it is nothing but 10. Next, another statement. We know that the Another statement, what's the statement? The difference of the any two sides is lesser than the third side only. Difference we know that, and sum is also we know that only. Whenever the triangle is given, in the triangle any sum of the any two sides is greater than the third side only, and difference is of the any two sides of difference is lesser than the third side only. We know that only. Those 2 points is very important only. Keep in our mind, don't forgetting that one only. Okay, the difference of the any two sides is lesser than the third side. Okay, are clear?
Yes.
Yeah, difference here it is. What's the difference? A minus B is less than the third side only. Okay, what is the A? A here it is 4 minus 6. Or 6 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4 only. Here it is the this is the bigger only. So that's why our positive integers in this problem is particularly any two sides only. So B minus A. Here it is. Why? Because they are negative integers, but don't take the negative integers only. Okay, in this problem is particularly mentioning there only. So that's why our positive integers is mentioning there only. So that's why B minus A is the very important. Okay, B minus A here it is the only. So B minus A it is nothing but 6 minus 4. Because here is the positive term, we will get it only. Here it is. A minus B is the negative term, we will get it only. So that's why don't take the A minus B only. Here any two sides is the B minus A only. Difference of these two sides, we will get the third side less than the third side only. Difference of these two sides is less than the third side. 6 minus 4 it is nothing but 2 only. 2 less than C only. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Otherwise, third side is greater than 2 only. Both are is it equal only. I am already told only. Whenever this symbol is given, this is the greater than symbol. One side is the open only, other side is closed only. Closed side, right hand side is the smaller only. Open side is before number is that is the bigger only. Okay, you already told in your previous classes only. So that's why, yeah, this is the C is greater than 2 only. C means is the third side. Here it is. Yeah, this is nothing but third side. Third side is less than 10. Here it is also third side. Third side is greater than 2 only. Okay. Yeah. Which numbers is lies between the third side? In this, this is the first equation number 1, and this is the equation number 2 only. From the equation number 1 and 2, third side greater than 2 and less than 10 only. Third side is lies between the greater than 2, less than 10 only. So from equation number 1 and 2, we get it. Third side is lies between greater than 2 is less than of third side. Third side it is nothing but C only. This is the C. Okay, are you clear? Less than 10 only. Okay, third side is lies between these two only, greater than 2 and less than 10 only. Third side, where is it? Between these two numbers only. What's the numbers in this one? Third, 4 up to 9 only. 3 to 9 only. Okay, 9 centimeters. All are the measurements are lies between there only. 2 to 10. How many measurements are there in this one only? 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters, 7, 8 centimeters, 9 up to or 9 centimeters. Third side is lies between these all is the measurements are there. Okay. All possible measurements of the third side. Possible measurements are these all are only. Okay. How many possible measurements are there? All are is the positive measurements. Positive or negative? All are the positive measurements. How many? How many distant triangles can be obtained here? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. Okay. Yeah. All positive possible measurements of the third side only. These all are only. Okay. These all are above these all are. Okay. Above these all are possible measurements. Okay, are you clear? Measurements of the third sides. Okay, third sides is lies between these all are only. So that's why these all are is the possible measurements. Okay, next in given question, first question are you understood? These all are is the possible measurements of the third side is over. First question all are the positive term integers is over. And next second one. What's the second one? How many distinct triangles can be obtained? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. So 7. Total is the how many? 7 distinct triangles can be obtained. Okay, are you clear? Okay, are you clear? Yeah, to find these two questions are is it's over. Very simple. These two questions is a very simple. This problem solution is very simple only. Yeah, here it is the check it only. First here these two sides A minus B, it is a negative only. Difference of these two only negative term we will get it only. So but don't take the negative term only. We want this the positive integers only. So that's why B minus A is the positive integers. We will get it only. Difference of these two we will get the plus 2 only. So that's why we should take these two only. Okay, are you clear, Gagan sir? Are you understood? This problem solution are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Yeah, this is the very simple problem solution is over. And next we'll move on to the next question. 7th one. Try to construct a triangle with 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 1 centimeters. Is it possible or not? Why? Give your justification. Yeah, this is the question. First, what is given, what is asked in this one. Try to construct a triangle. These 3 measurements is given only. We need to try to construct of these given measurements. Construct, is it possible or not? Construct a triangle with the given measurements, is it possible or not? But that is the first question. Why it is possible? Why it is not possible? Give your justification. Your justification. Your answer you write it only. Yeah, first one. Given data, how to write it in our given problem. Given is a try to construct a triangle with this one 5 centimeter, 8 centimeters and 1 centimeter to possible. Here is it possible or not? Why? And give your justification. Or one words you write it only. Okay. What's the reason you write it only? Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. First given measurements. What's the given measurements? The given measurements. Measurements of a triangle. Okay. What's the measurements? Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai. What's the measurements? 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and another third one is the 1 centimeters is give. What's the how many is it this given measurements is the possible or not? How many possibles are they? We know that the statement. What's the important point? We know that whenever the triangle measurements is given, what's the condition? The sum of the any two sides is greater than the third side only. We know that point. And another point is that the difference of the any two sides is lesser than the third side. We know that only. The two statements we know that only. So the two statements you write it only. Here it is. Your first one is the sum of the any two sides. Any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, are you clear? We know this point only. What's the sum of the any two sides? Any two sides is what's the sum? Any two sides it is nothing but 5 plus 8 is greater than the third side. Third side is 1 only. Okay. What's the 5 plus 8 is it is nothing but what's the 13 is greater than 1. Is it possible? Yes, is it possible? Sum of these two is the greater one. Then comparing of the third side one. And next difference. Any two sides only. The difference of the any two sides. Two sides is lesser than the third side. Okay, are you clear? Difference of the any two sides. 8 minus 5 is lesser than the 1. 8 minus 3, it is nothing but what's the 3 only. 3 is less than 1. No, it is not possible only. Okay, difference is not possible only. So in this given measurements, is it a construct a triangle? The given measurements, it is not possible only. Why it is not possible? This condition is not satisfied only. Okay. So any two sides are otherwise other also. What's the other one? These two sides only. 8 plus 1 also check it only. 8 plus 1 is greater than of another side is 5 only. So 8 plus 1 it is nothing but 9. 9 is greater than 5. So it is possible. It is also possible. And another two sides. Any two sides. What's the another two sides is 5 plus 1 is greater than third side. What's the third side is 8 only. So 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 it is nothing but 6 only is greater than 8. Okay, is it satisfied here it is? This condition is it satisfied? It is not satisfied only. 6 is greater than 8? No, it is not satisfied in this third case. So that's why is it possible with the given measurements? With the given measurement it is not possible only. Okay, difference is also same only. Difference is also not possible only. Any two sides difference only, that is also same. Okay, 5 minus 1 lesser than the 8 only. 5 minus 1 it is nothing but 4 is 8. It is possible only. This is the possible, and next is the another this is not possible only. Yeah, another one is check it only. These are is the check it. Only one is also it's over, but another is also check it only. Here it is two conditions are is check it only. Yeah, what's the this is the 5 minus 1 is 4, and next one is the another one is 8 minus 1 is less than 5. So 8 minus 1 it is nothing but what's the 7 less than 5. This is also not possible. Okay, finally what's the conclude here it is? Yeah, is it construct a triangle with the given measurement? It is possible or not? No, it is not possible only. with the given measurements only. So that's why, therefore, it is not possible. Therefore, it is not possible. Possible to a construct a triangle with the given measurements. Okay, with the given measurements, construct a triangle. Is it possible or not? No, it is not possible only. So that's why with the given measurements. Are you clear? Are you clear, Gagan Sai? Why? What's the reason? It is a two cases it's satisfied only, but another case is not satisfied only. Okay, that is the reason. What's the reason? Why? Reason. Two cases. In two cases, it is possible. In third case, it is not possible. Third case, it is not possible. Okay, this is the sum of only. In sum of the any two sides case. Okay, in sum of the any two sides case, in two cases is satisfied, but in third case is not satisfied only. So that's why, yeah, this is not possible only. Okay, are clear, Gagan Sai? And okay, you can't construct a triangle, or you can't draw a construct, or you can't construct anyone only. Okay, triangle with the given measurements, both are is it correct only. Okay, with measurements, with the given measurements. What's the measurements? It's 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters and 1 centimeters. These are the given measurements only. With given measurements, it's not possible only. Okay, you can't draw a triangle only. Simply also write it. You can't draw a triangle with the given measurements. Okay. You can't draw a
triangle with the given measurements.
You can't draw a triangle with the given measurements. With the given measurements. Okay. Yeah, these all is all are the, it's over. Just for your justification, give your justification only. So that's why you only write it only. Yeah, this problem solution is over. Very simple. This problem solution is over. Are you understood this problem solution? Yeah, this exercise 7.4 exercise is over.
Completed.
Okay, chapter 7th chapter is also it's over.
Completed.
Chapter number 7, full chapter it's over. Full chapter it's over. Okay, and this exercise is also it's over. Therefore, exercise 7.4 all problems and solutions is over. Okay, are you clear? Are you any doubts today my class? Problems and solutions it's over. Okay, yeah, this is the 7th chapter. It's over today. All problems and solutions in this exercise is over. This chapter is also it's over. All are once read and practice. These all are the very important points, Gagan Sai. Okay, once read and practice at home. All are the each and every problem is practice only at home. Okay, all the best for your examinations. After later I will conduct the exams.
Okay.
On the chapter I will conduct the exam only. So that's why this Today's class. Any doubts? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Say today's my class is over and the chapter is also it's over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye. I hope this video is helpful for you. Like, share and subscribe with your friends.
Bye.
Say bye.